Then there is Attorney General Virginia Mabhiza. Traditionally, this office is expected to provide impartial legal advice, grounded in the Constitution and insulated from political expediency. The Attorney General is political actor that was subscribed like on the bell icon. But in this case, the Attorney General has stepped forward not merely to interpret the law, but to pronounce a conclusion while the matter is still before the courts. 4 petitions, active litigation, live constitutional questions, and yet a final position has already been issued, not as opinion, as verdict. It is an unusual sequence. The courts may now proceed, but they do so in the shadow of a conclusion already announced. The official argument rests heavily on Section 328(6), but constitutional interpretation is not a game of selective reading. Section 328 must be read as a whole, and when it is, an inconvenient truth emerges. If an amendment extends the length of time a person may hold office, it triggers constitutional safeguards designed precisely to prevent incumbents from benefiting from such changes. This is not a marginal clause, it is a clause, and it is the one that keeps disappearing from official explanations. What we're witnessing then is not a legal clarification, it is a legal performance. The Constitution is not being read, it is being managed. Arguments are not being developed, they are being deployed. And consistency is not the goal. Alignment is. Doma developments are good upon ino. In our comment section, you will find any more good on it's subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.